Millie? It's like a little... Wait, look at this up for a minute, buddy. Yeah. You do it however you think it should be. Yay. You play with the little puzzles and such, man. It's silly. Yeah. No. Well, just come this time because you didn't last time, and then we'll see what they want. This might be the last time coming anyway. Little Millie. Yeah. I like playing with this little puzzle thing over here. Where is it? Look, there's a clock too, Millie. Look, it's a clock. Whee! Time is out of control. Those gears. Ow. Ow. Ow.
Yay!
You're doing very good, Millie.
This goes in, that goes in, one goes in, that one.
What, this one? No.
One goes in, and three goes in, and four goes in.
Yeah, it looks almost like a pachinko machine, but I don't know how to do it. I don't know how this one works, Millie. It doesn't look like there's holes at the top. It's not like pachinkos. Maybe there's like a magnet thing, like Millie had. Or is it turn? No. Yeah, I don't know. This is a mysterious one, Millie. Mysterious pachinko. Yeah, I don't know. You silly goose. Yeah. Those are all gears. Don't hurt your fingers in there, little poo. You're so cute. Why are you so silly? And